Hi, friends. Welcome to Everyday Dialogue. Listen carefully. Here we go.
Hey Naomi, how are you?
Oh, hi Max. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm great. It's a holiday today, so I came to the park to get some fresh air.
Me too. I didn't want to stay at home on a holiday. It's good to change the scenery.
So, what's new? Where do you work these days?
I work at an ice cream company. It's called Sweet Delight.
Oh, nice. How do you like it?
It's good. The work is easy and I'm used to it now. I've been there for 3 years.
Do they pay you well and do you get any benefits?
The salary is okay for me. And yes, we get some benefits like health insurance and paid vacation.
That's nice. What about free ice cream?
Yes, sometimes we can take ice cream home. It's a sweet benefit.
Cool. So, what exactly do you do there?
I work in the packaging department. We put the ice cream in boxes.
I see. And your working hours?
From 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Sometimes we do overtime, but they pay extra for that.
Not bad at all.
How about you, Max? Where do you work?
I work at a mobile phone company. It's called Connect Mobile.
Oh, cool. So you know how to fix phones.
No, I don't fix phones. I work in the transport department. We just deliver the phones to the warehouse for distribution.
I see. So what about your salary and benefits?
My salary is not very high, but we also get health insurance and sometimes we get a discount on new phones.
That's a good benefit. Do you like your job?
It's okay. But the manager in our office, Clara, she gets a really good salary.
Clara. I think I know her. Did we study with her in college?
Yes, you remember her. She was very smart and hardworking.
That's right. She deserves to earn good money.
Definitely. By the way, do you have any plans for career growth in your company?
I want to become a team leader next year. They said it's possible if I work hard.
That's great. I hope you get it.
Thanks. What about you? Do you want to stay in the transport department?
Actually, I'm thinking about moving to the sales department. The salary is better there.
Sales. That's a good idea. You're good at talking to people.
Thank you. I will try to apply next month.
I'm sure you will do well.
By the way, does your company have a cafeteria?
Yes, we have a small one. The food is cheap and tasty.
Lucky you. We don't have one. We bring food from home.
Oh, that's okay. Home food is healthy.
True. So, do you work on weekends?
No, I don't. Weekends are free. I usually relax or meet friends.
Same here. We should hang out sometime on a weekend.
That would be fun. Let's plan it.
Okay, I'll send you a message. Oh, I think I should go now. It was really nice talking to you.
Me too. If you see Clara, say hello to her from me.
Sure, I will. Take care, Naomi.
You too, Max. Bye.